Guys, this week is Sne's week on Uthando Nesthembu. Apparently, she's a deadbeat mom. I wonder how you guys are going to defend her this time. Well, we'll continue with this video in just a second. Stay tuned. Usne just told the whole country that she's a female version of men are trash, if there's even anything like that. And believe me when I say, most men that you would consider trash are way better than her. On the latest episode of Uthando Nesthembu, Musa called Sne to have a chat with her, and like everybody else, I was eager to learn how is the meeting going to go after Msele found Sne's room dirty and the conversation that Msele had with Umaxele with regards to the car issue and all of those things. And I was also expecting Musa to be fuming with anger. I thought that when Sne gets into that meeting, Musa would be so angry, breaking glasses on the floor and hitting the walls and all those things. But Musa disappointed me. He was just so cool and so calm. And to my surprise, Sne was so arrogant. I never thought that Sne had so much attitude. She told Musa straight on his eyes that she drinks alcohol on weekends because she has nothing better to do. I don't really mind what Sne said, ne? But for me, it's the way that she said it. I really never thought that Sne was like that. This improved everything that Makhumalo said about her on episode 11. And guys, if you think that everything that I've just said about Sne is shocking, then you are going to faint when you hear this. Apparently, her children's Sasa cars are kept by her even though she doesn't stay with her kids. She told Musa that it's been months since she last sent money to her last born, Usamgelo. She even went on to say that she's okay with the fact that she's not able to take care of her kids because she can't be a mother. Whoa. It's but faith, Usne uthakana ndabena nokuthi akwazi ukuba umama ngoba vele akwazi ukuba umama ezinganeni zakhe. Ingane yakhe yokuqala ihlala noMaxele bese sibili ukhuliso ubaba wayo. I mean, guys, really? Does she even consider that her daughter is now a teenager? I mean, Lengane is 18 when she watches this episode. And after all of this, in her defense, Sne says that she does all of this because she's stressed since Msele hates her kids. I mean, what is that? Look guys, yes, Sne might be what she is because she's seeking her father's love, but Usne is a grown woman. She needs to take accountability for her life. She can't be blaming people for a life that is hers. Anyway guys, do comment in the comment section and share your thoughts and opinions regarding this topic. And if you enjoyed content on this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, and even on TikTok. And with that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.